Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making garlic and ginger paste. I'll also be showing you how to store them properly to avoid spoilage. So let's get into it. So you want to start off by peeling all your garlic and ginger. I won't be blending this together, but if you would, then the ratio of your garlic should be more than your ginger. Okay, so after that I'm just going to put water on fire just so that I can use to sterilize my jars, and I'm using this mason jar, and you can also use Bama jar or plastic, all based on your preference. So now for the sterilization, I'm just adding a little bit of vinegar to my boiling water, then dropping in my jars. Please do not do this if you're using plastic, okay? I'll leave that to simmer for 10 minutes while I get on blending. And I'm starting off with my garlic paste, and I'm just going to pour this in my blender and start blending roughly without any liquid. Then I would gradually add in my oil after it's done breaking down the big chunks, right? And I add in my oil just because this helps me achieve a smoother paste with way less oil, as opposed to adding the oil and the garlic at the start. So you should definitely try this out if you're not really a fan of excessive amount of oil like me. So now we're done with that. As you can see, this paste is smooth. There are literally no lumps in here. This is perfect if you do not like eating garlic chunks in your meals, okay? So I'm going to repeat the same process for the ginger and then transfer to the jars. So guys, for the jars, the first thing you want to do is to dry them off, and you can do this by just leaving them to sit for a few seconds after they have simmered, and this would dry out itself because they are very hot and they do not need you to wipe them down. Okay, so when you're stuffing them, you should be sure that there is absolutely no liquid in your jars, because your liquid can change the color of your garlic from being white to being green or blue, right? And you do not want this. So after stuffing, you will want to clean down the rim of your glasses. Even if you're using plastic, always clean down to avoid food particles, because mold tend to build up from those particles, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.